Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WWR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. And the uptrend continues. That's really the best way to summarize today's price movement. And I've done this analysis in over the past few days, so that's where the red and green line notations are coming from. But that's also where the talking points come about. I'm actually just going to do a little house cleaning real quick, get rid of that line. That level served its purpose for now. And from a presentation standpoint, where I said, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you're looking. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the first big update that comes about is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So going into the day, that 260-ish mark was a very stubborn level. But now that the price gapped up above it, I mean, this is classic stuff. Gapped all the way up here, came down, and then look where basically the bottom was. Not exactly, but very, very close. And then from there, the price got the bounce back upwards. Point here being, that's a level that you would want to see act as support, and it did indeed act as support. So moving forward, 260 is what I'd call the ideal level, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Well, ideally, if the price can stay above 260, that would be a great sign of strength. But it's not like if the price falls below that level, that implies the entire chart's destroyed or anything. But yeah, staying above that level would certainly be a nice sign of power. Looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that's where the purple line comes into play. The 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health. The bulls are in full health, or control, excuse me. How you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. As far as levels of resistance, first key level to watch closely, headed into Friday, going to be right up here at $3.15. And then after $3.15, nothing fancy or complicated other than the fact of, where did the party and momentum finally stop today? That was up there at $3.35. But all in all, like I started off the video, I'll end the video saying the trend continues. So let's see how this one plays out on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.